Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make icons bigger on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To make the icons bigger on your iPhone, what you need to do is first check to see if your iPhone is on the latest software update, because the function is available on the latest update of the iPhone. So if you haven't, then simply head over to the settings. Then once you're inside here, if you have a software update available, simply tap on that, and now all you have to do is update your software to the latest version, that is iOS 18.1, and from above there you will be able to access this feature. Now in order to make icons bigger, all you gotta do is long tap on the home screen or any of the page, and then once you are here, what you need to do is tap on your edit icon that is on the top right corner of the screen. Then once you tap on the edit icon, among the options you'll be seeing an option that says customize right here. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on customize, on the bottom you'll be provided with options from small to dark. Now all you got, if your icon is on small, simply tap on large, and that will make the icons bigger on iPhone. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.